Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty's Soap Kitchen. Let me put my goggles on my face. Today, this is a remake for you guys. Amanda and I made this for you last year. This is inspired by the Depeche Mode song Policy of Truth. It is scented in OMG Olive from Nature's Garden, which is a dupe of Olive Branch, and I believe it's by Lush. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's a big, huge seller, particularly with my nephew. He loves it. He's also a really big Depeche Mode fan as well. But the only difference in this soap is the green, because last time I didn't have 3 Olive Martini, and I never really got a chance to get any more. Oh, this is my mango and shea butter is setting up. But I made sort of an olive-ish green. I'm out of my lily pad green, so I had to use Celadon from Nurtures. I used caramel butterscotch, banana boat yellow, and a little bit of chocolate brown as well. And we're gonna have the purple like we did last time. And the base is gonna be yellow, which I don't have out. That's terrible. What are you doing, Celine? Okay, here's my yellow. But I'm going to lighten it up with some TD. So this is my Isis recipe. That's why the oils are dark. There's bentonite clay and heavy cream in here. And in my lye water, it is a 50-50 mixture of aloe vera juice and distilled water with, of course, sodium hydroxide. Oh, wow, guys. My salt and sugar is really stuck on the bottom there. And it's got salt and sugar in it. That is completely stuck to the bottom and the sides. I am in a great mood today, even though, I know I've been talking about it for a couple of videos that my kid is going to be in Japan for 3 years. But what are you going to do? But I am in a good mood today, so that's good. So if I act like a dork, that's why. I actually have the house to myself. And this weekend, oh, this terrible scraping. Terrible scraping. And this weekend, my husband has a bowling tournament, so I get to really have the house to myself because it's an overnight thing. So, all right, let's get this to just before emulsification, and we'll add our yogurt. Okay, let's add the yogurt. This fragrance speeds up trace, so I'm only going to add it to the main batch, and I won't forget it this time. Last time I made it, I forgot it. So, oops. Let me get this to a very thin trace, or a medium trace. That works too. No, it's not. It's more it's thicker than I would like it, but I have my mold ready to go. So we'll just have to do what we gotta do. Somebody in my house. Hold on a second, guys. Scared the crap out of me. He's up there. Sorry. My youngest son, Mason, is here. So, okay. That was really, see, I'm home by myself, and here's somebody walking around, and you're like, oh my God, what is going on? Okay, we need some purple. Don't want a ton, but I need to put some on the top, so, and some of my green. This is definitely not going to be the same green that it was last time, which, like I said, I ordered my lily pad green, but I don't know, wholesale supplies plus, who knows when it's going to get here. I'm obviously cutting this soap the same day, or making this soap the same day I cut Coco Cabana, because I was complaining about it then too. So there's our banana boat yellow, and I'm gonna dump some. Ooh! Oh my God! Oh, you know what, guys? For being in a good mood, I'm really having difficulties today. Make sure it's shut before you shake it. Okay. Wow. Are you laughing yet? Oh wow, it doesn't shut at all anymore. I'm gonna have to get another one. That's terrible. I was mixing it in a cup for a while, but I think I might do that because I'm gonna have to clean up TD from everything. Okay, hold on. Okay, there's my yellow. I know it looks a little grayed out because of the bentonite clay, but that grayed out effect will go away. Okay. Get all this batter and stuff off the sides and get it stirred in really good. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a drop swirl like I did last time with the green and the purple. Or if I want to do an in the pot swirl. I don't know. I got to do these colors mix these colors really quick, because this does speed up trace and I need my colors mixed. I don't know, maybe a drop swirl would be kind of interesting. Or an in the pot swirl, I mean. Let's get all of this green off of the bottom because my mango butter was starting to solidify. Oh, that's not bad at all, you guys. Look at that. That's not bad. That's olivey. Yeah, that's olivey. I don't know. We'll see. Let's, I'm going to bring my mold in here. But I'm going to put my fragrance in. Oh, smells beautiful. Smells beautiful. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do it in the pot. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. I'm gonna do purple here. Purple there. Whoop. And then we're gonna do green here. And a green there. Okay, the rest of that will be for the top. And here's my mold. Let's see how satisfying we can get this. Let's go. Okay. I was holding my breath while I was doing that. It's the whole contrasting color thing. Because, you know, the yellow and the purple can make everything turn brown. Yeah, last time we did a drop swirl and Amanda swirled it with a chopstick. So, alright, let me bang this. And as you can see, it's very liquidy. So we're going to have to let this set up. I'm going to alcohol it. And then I'm going to clean up all this titanium dioxide I got over my backsplash and my sugar pearls and everything. So I will see you in a few. Bye-bye. We're going to put our colors on here. It's set up enough that I can go ahead and just lay the color down. And then I can do my dishes and hang out with my kid. So he's going to be so proud of me. Mason, I did the animus anomaly in Norway all by myself. Yep. That's what I said. Okay. Yeah, that was difficult, guys. I know you don't want to hear about my video game escapades. But sometimes I'm like, you need to come over because I can't do this. Please. Yeah. Just because of my epilepsy, I don't have small motor coordination like normal people do. That's why I spill stuff a lot, uncoordinated, that kind of thing. But, you know, I tried to do it by myself. I mean, I tried, gosh, this one part, it must have been like 36 times, and I gave up, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to eat dinner and be done with it. So the first time we did this, we did an infinity swirl. So that's what I'm going to do this time as well. Oops. sort of. And Amanda put a ton of glitter on this the first time we made it. And my nephew keeps cutting the top of the bar off, so no glitter on this. So we will be back in 18 to 24 hours to cut it, and I will see you then. Okay, hopefully the lighting is okay. We're back to cut Policy of Truth, but I got to take these edges off. They're a little wonky. Little wonky. So I might as well get rid of them now. Alright. Okay, this has been sitting out way too long. So this might be a little bit difficult to cut. We'll see. Oh. That Isis and Osiris recipe is definitely hard as a rock. I really like the way that the green turned out, even though it's not, you know, the original plan for the green. I'll have to show you the top of the bar. This one side and the other side. And see, there's the top of it. I like the color it turned out, even, like I said, even though it's not exactly how it was last time. Smells gorgeous. So I'm very pleased. I like the In the Pot swirl too. So I was worried, you know, we got those contrasting colors with the purple and the yellow, that some of it might turn brown, but it didn't. Which is a good thing. Although this is such a great scent, this, you know, dupe of Olive Branch is so fantastic. It could probably be brown and people would buy it. I know my nephew would. He wouldn't care what color it was. Yeah, this is his favorite. My son had come over, my youngest son, Mason, had come over on Sunday, which was 2 days ago, and was going through my shelves and stuff because he needs soap, and he was picking up and smelling everything, and finally he says, "Mom, this is so good. You have to put 3 bars of it up." And our it's our Calvin Klein 1 dupe. Which is really funny because I collect perfume and I have Calvin Klein's 1. Do I have fragrance seepage? What? Oh no, I think I might have some fragrance seepage. Let me show you. I might have an issue here, guys. See these little spots right here? It looks like fragrance. I'll have to see what happens through the cure. Oh, that would not be good. That would be totally bad. I mean, I guess I could always use it for laundry detergent. That's what I usually do. I either donate it, or if I'm running low on laundry detergent, because I make my own powdered laundry detergent, that I will use the soap for that. Yeah, I'm going to have to see what happens with it. Maybe remind me to tell you what happened with it. I might have to make it again. Because I've never used this Celadon Green. And I don't know if that's the difference, because it certainly didn't do this the first time I made it. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I'm gonna have sample bars. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna get 11 bars out of this. Did I cut them small? No. 10. Wow. a little strange. And I might get an end piece off of here. Like, oh, almost. Well, my nephew gets a piece. Yep. Alright guys, that's it. I'm gonna have to plane that. So, I will see you guys next week. You have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.